Alright, yan. Magandang araw mga kabatas natin at welcome sa isang namang live stream. Mga kabatas natin, mismo sa DOJ.gov.ph tayo kukuha ng ating balita tungkol sa nangyaring kasuhan kay Pastor Quiboloy for sexual abuse and human trafficking. Okay, mga kabatas natin, tignan natin kung hanggang saan yung impormasyon ni dinivulge nila. Okay? Ito kasi mga kabatas natin, this is from the Department of Justice website. Official website, doj.gov.ph. Okay? So doon sa mga nagsasabi na parang, well, alam mo naman, puro daldal lang naman yung mga yan. Subjudice. I know my limits. No? It's the people who actually, well, I will not go there muna. Okay, I'll reserve that. Pero ito, title na, DOJ Overturns Office of the City Prosecutor Davao Resolution. Ano bang nangyari dito? Para sa mga tao na gustong maintindihan ito, mga kabatas natin, nag-file yung mga biktima di umano ni Pastor Quiboloy et al. Ng kasong sexual abuse at human trafficking sa Office of the City Prosecutor sa Davao. Anong nangyari? Na-dismiss. Okay? Na-dismiss. Ngayon, kaya sinabing DOJ overturns kasi nga inapila ito through a petition for review sa Department of Justice. Tapos eventually, sinabi ni Rimulya, may probable cause. Pasok yung kaso na yan. So, sagutin na natin yung mga tanong immediately. Sisipot na kaya dyan si Quiboloy? When the case is in court already, he has to. Otherwise, he will have an outstanding warrant of arrest. Kaya lang, meron siya pang pwedeng magkaroon. Meron siyang mga remedyo pa na pwedeng gawin dito. Okay? Tulad nga ng sinabi ko, yung isa, yung judicial determination of probable cause. Pwede yan kasi nga kung makikita na walang probable cause to issue a warrant of arrest, the judge can immediately dismiss the case. Ganun yung nangyari sa kaso ko. Na-dismiss yung kaso ng unang judge, napalitan ng judge, tapos nire-instate ng bagong judge. Okay? So, yun yung pwedeng mangyari dyan. Tapos, syempre, pwede rin naman na after judicial determination of probable cause, magkakaroon ng warrant of arrest na kay Quiboloy. No? Personal assessment ng judge yun. Okay? That is the duty. Sabi doon, must yung judicial determination of probable cause. Okay? Pag may warrant of arrest na siya, pwede na siyang kailangan niyang sumipot, otherwise magkakaroon siya ng outstanding warrant. Kung wala naman siyang warrant of arrest, mga kabatas natin, okay lang. If the judge finds it na walang warrant of arrest, na hindi dapat issuehan ng warrant of arrest, hindi siya may issuehan ng warrant of arrest. Okay? Sige. Tuloy natin. This is very interesting, mga kabatas natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung impormasyon na binigay sa atin ng Department of Justice. Sabi, in a decisive move, the petition for review concerning the case against Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy and others has been granted. So, granted. Kasi nga, pinareview nung petitioner. Petitioner, yung mga nag-akusa kay Pastor Quiboloy na natalo sa Office of the City Prosecutor. Nung umakyat sila sa Department of Justice, binaliktad. Okay? The original joint resolution dated June 29, 2020 by the Office of the City Prosecutor of Davao City, which dismissed the complaints for rape, qualified human trafficking, and child abuse has been overturned after careful review. Okay? Complainant appellant's allegations which date back to 2011 highlight a series of abuses including an act of rape in September 2014. So this is very detailed. Sinabi mismo kung ano yung mga dahilan kung bakit pumasok yung kaso. Okay? Mula 2011 pa, tapos may kasamang panggagahasa o rape noong 2014. When she was a minor. Very detailed, mga kabatas natin. Emotional and physical mistreatment, and forced labor without compensation, and all under the guise of religious service at the kingdom of Jesus Christ, the name above every name. Mga kabatas natin, uulitin ko sa inyo ha. This is from the Department of Justice website itself. Okay? Sabi niya, may tanong, question attorney, pag may final judgment na, pwede pa ba mag-amend ng law ang Congress regarding sa case? Of course. Of course. Pag nagkaroon ng pwede nilang i-amend yung law anytime. Wala namang problema. Okay? Ngayon, yung amendment na yon, ang mangyayari dyan, if it is beneficial to the accused, it will benefit the accused. Ibig sabihin, makikinabang yung akusado doon o yung nakulong. Like for example, yung nangyari kay Robin Padilla, nabawasan yung term niya, no, ng pagkakulong, nakalaya na siya tuloy dahil nga sentence served. Pwede yon. Okay? Pwede yon. Ngayon, kapag hindi naman beneficial sa kanya, hindi may a-apply yun doon sa kaso niya. Okay? So, ganon yung nangyari. Sabi kanya, despite the dismissal of her initial complaints and the subsequent denial of her motion for reconsideration, so dito mga kabatas natin, nag-file pa sila ng motion for reconsideration. The complainant's persistent legal battle has brought new light to the gravity of her accusations. Bakit? Kasi nga, pinasok. Okay? Upon re-evaluation, it has been determined that there exists probable cause against Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy for the crime of sexual abuse of a minor under Section 5B of the Republic Act No. 7610, as well as against Quiboloy and correspondents for qualified human trafficking and other acts of child abuse. So this is very detailed, mga kabatos natin. DOJ Secretary Remulla offered a poignant assessment, remarking, payognant ba yan? Paano ba i-pronounce to? Poignant. Poignant. Hindi poignant. Poignant. Evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. Poignant. Ewan ko ba? Kaya nga hindi ko ginagamit yan kasi hindi ko ma-pronounce eh. Poignant. Poignant daw yan. So ulitin natin basahin. DOJ Secretary Remulla offered a poignant assessment. Ipaparinig ko na lang sa inyo ha, para wala tayong away. Okay. Poignant talaga. Poignant. Ito. Ganyan nga. Poignant. Okay. Sige. So nalungkot siya. Offered a poignant assessment remarking this petition for review has lingered unresolved for 4 long years. Ba't naman umabot ng 4 years? Our foremost aim is to achieve justice within the Philippines grounded firmly on the evidence presented and the statutes of our legal system. Achieve justice within the Philippines grounded firmly on the evidence presented and the statutes of our legal system. Additionally, it has been reported that an immigration lookout bulletin order was issued against Pastor Quiboloy last 27 February 2024 as a measure to prevent him from fleeing the country. Alam nyo naman na itong immigration lookout bulletin order na ito, it will not prevent him from fleeing the country, di ba? Department of Justice.gov.ph. Pati yung mga lawyers nyo mismo nagsabi dyan, dapat hold departure order. So, ngayon, tapos na naman na yon, pwede naman na kayong humingi ng hold departure order pag may flight risk siya. Okay? Pag hindi naman siya flight risk, hindi necessary yan. Okay? Because, of course, we still have our basic right under the Constitution, yung freedom to travel. Okay? The ruling underscores the commitment to ensuring justice and upholding the rights and protection of minors against abuse and exploitation. The Office of the City Prosecutor of Davao is directed to file the appropriate charges in court against the respondents accordingly. So ito parang part ito ng part siguro ito ng resolution. Okay, this case represents a significant step towards addressing and rectifying injustices suffered by vulnerable members of our society, particularly children. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Itong mga batang ito, mga kabatas natin, they need protection. That's why we need stronger rules, laws against people who are violating the rights of the children. Why? Because the first line of defense ng mga children in relation to their rights is yung takot ng mga tao na gumagawa ng masama para abusuhin yung mga bata. That's why I am adamantly fighting na magkaroon ng declaration na ang age of sexual consent is 18 kasi wala ngang declaration na ganon. Diba? Tuloy. And reinforces the legal framework protecting them from abuse and exploitation. It's very detailed, mga kabatas natin. So we know the reason why. Kaya alam niyo kung bakit pinakita ko itong sa Department of Justice.gov.ph. Alam niyo yung mga kaso kasi na final sa akin in relation to Raffy Tulfo. Hindi lang yung mga final ni Raffy Tulfo sa akin. Yung mga tao na di umano naglalabas ng mga decision o resolution, hindi nila pinapakita yung dahilan kung bakit pumasok yung kaso. Diba? Ang pinapakita nila, pumasok yung kaso. Ang gusto kong ipakita nyo ang dahilan kung bakit pumasok yung kaso. Yun lang naman. Be fair. Okay? Ang ginagawa kasi nila, pumasok yung kaso. Seriously. Sabi nga nila dito sa comment section, this is a David and Goliath battle. I know that from the very beginning. Yung mga small vloggers, they know that from the very beginning. Hindi magiging David and Goliath battle ito pag malakas na kami sa umpisa pa lang. Hindi magiging David and Goliath tong battle na ito kung panalo na lang kami sa umpisa pa lang. Gets nyo yon? Yan. Maraming salamat mga kabatas natin. At syempre, tulad ng lagi kang sinasabi, matulog po tayo ng mahimbing. Dahil alam natin na yung natutulog ng mahimbing, siya yung laging panalo. Paalam po pansamantala. At syempre, salamat po sa